I'm awake. I'm awake. June, why were you sleeping? Sorry, it's because no one came today, so it was pretty boring for me, so I accidentally fell asleep, so yeah. What? No one came? We always have lots of customers. Our shop is a big hit. Well, it used to be. What do you mean? A new pet shop just opened. It has, and I guess the owner is Barbie. Barbie? It can't be Barbie. She's already a veterinarian, a shopper. She has so many jobs. Agreed, but she does get fired a lot. So I guess now she's a pet shop owner. Ugh, I'm gonna go give her a piece of my mind. I am going to call her. Beep boop, beep 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 boop boop. Hello? Oh, so how long do you take pets? This is my pet kitty. Her name is Princess, and yeah, I had to go for a ninja appointment. Yeah, Well, certainly, as long as you like. Eek, eek, eek. Oh, hold on. Let me just, get the phone. Hello, Barbie speaking. Hi, Barbie. I'm Emma, the close by store. Oh, look at that. So why'd you call? Do you need me to come over there and get some pets or something? Oh no, not that. I don't need your help, but I would like to get to know you at the Heart Lake City bench. At around, noon maybe. Oh sure, noon it is. And is it okay if I'm gonna bring this princess girl kitty something? So yeah, goodbye. Beep. Goodbye indeed. Okay, there. So yeah, I can take care of her for as long as you like. So how long do you want me to take care of her? Actually, when I get back, because I'm not very, very sure. But I think at maybe afternoon, maybe, I don't know. Of course, sure, that would be a perfect time. Okay, thanks, goodbye. Bye. So, at noon, where is that girl? And why is there a ninja looking down at the bench? Ugh. Go away, you ninja person. Thank you. Okay, girl, one more time. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just look at the time. Oh, no, it's noon. I have to go to the bench now. Heart Lake bench. Okay, I'm going to take you with me, okay, princess? Oh, hi there. What's your name? Hi, I'm Emma. Oh, hi, Emma. Hi. So I see you brought your cat. Oh, no, this is not my cat. This is up just I need to take care of her for until afternoon. Oh, I see. So, you've been taking our business. Da-da-dun. Me? No, I wouldn't be taking anybody's business. Da-da-dun. You took mine when you go get closer to my shop. And this neighborhood only needs one pet shop, and it would be mine. Da-da-dun. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but it isn't my fault. I moved into this awesome neighborhood, and everybody likes me more. I don't care if they like you more. You need to give me back my money that I was supposed to get. I don't care, and I'm not doing that. It's my money now. And when your shop is out of, shoppers, it's pretty obvious that I am going to be the only pet shop in this whole Heart Lake City. Yeah, sure, I guess. But listen up. Why don't we have a battle? A battle indeed. Da-da-dun. A battle? Sure, that would be pretty much easy. Da-da-dun. A battle to see which pet shop would be the only one in Heart Lake City. And then let the best girl and pet shop win. Da-da-dun. If you would like to see them fight, give us a like. We just need 5 likes to see the next video. Da-da-dun.
What the ninja said. You see them fight.
I am Helper. Hi, I'm Angela and I'm the maker of this video. So, like what my little brother said, 5 likes and you'll see them fight.